To send money from Australia to the UAE, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to determine the purpose of the transfer and the amount you want to send. This will help you choose the best transfer method. There are several ways to send money from Australia to the UAE, including through banks, online money transfer services, and currency exchange offices. Each method has its own fees, exchange rates, and processing times. To start the transfer process, you will need to gather the necessary information and documents. This typically includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. If you are using an online money transfer service, you will also need to create an account and provide identification. Once you have the necessary information, you can initiate the transfer. If you are using a bank, you can do this in person or online. If you are using an online money transfer service, you can initiate the transfer through their website or mobile app. When sending money from Australia to the UAE, it is essential to consider the exchange rate and any fees associated with the transfer. You should also ensure that you are using a reputable and secure transfer method to protect your money. To get the best exchange rate, you should compare the rates offered by different transfer services. You should also look for services that offer low or no fees. Some online money transfer services also offer promotions and discounts, so it is worth checking their websites for these. After initiating the transfer, you should track the status of the transfer to ensure that it is processed correctly. You should also inform the recipient of the expected delivery time and the amount that will be received. In conclusion, sending money from Australia to the UAE requires careful planning and research. By following these steps and considering the different transfer options, you can ensure that your money is transferred quickly, securely, and at a competitive exchange rate.